What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're back at Orlando Speed World, and we got a whole gang here. We got the whole gang, and we still missing the BMW guys. We got Juni here, but Luis is late. Not that he's always late with the BMW guys, but yeah. So today is crazy. We have the whole gang. We're just gonna jump into it, show races. I'm actually gonna race Luis to see if we can get that, you know, that tiebreaker out. And I'm actually gonna start, and I'm gonna race the Ecoboost. That has a Mickey Thompson, big turbo, full send. It's probably like mid 11-second car. It's faster than my car. I'm just gonna race him just to get on the track and race, because Luis is not here. But we got a couple 11.5s, 11.6, 11.4 cars here, and they're all gonna race. And then Danny's gonna work on his launch to see if he can get that 10 a little lower down. You know, he's gonna work on that launch. He's not racing the car next to him. So show you real quick. Gotta go far. Gen 3 GT on corn with headers, full send ATSV on a tire, TTRS with a tune, and full send Ecoboost, stock Camaro, V6 Mustang manual with some corn and some things. Marty's Supra over there, downpipe E85, and we got a BMW with a couple mods. So I don't think I'm gonna talk in between. We're just gonna show you races, and then I'll jump here and there. I'll probably talk about my race, and then if I talk to some of the guys, we'll put that on depending on how long this makes this video. So let's go jump into it. I'm racing Ariel in the Ecoboost, full send Ecoboost on a tire. It's gonna be a bad day. Comes Marty from his race. I think he raced that car behind him. How you do?
Better than you!
11.6 at 120? God damn.
Look at 60.
Huh?
That's my best 60 ever.
1.8? So you stuck?
It's stuck pretty good, dude. I didn't touch the car.
You beat that car?
Yeah.
What was it?
You got nitrous and everything.
Oh shit. That's what I think my son said. I think Marty beat a car with nitrous.
Yeah, he was spraying. I heard him spraying.
He beat me. He ran 11.9, but he red lit.
Oh, he red lit?
Yeah. It hooked? Who did you run?
Huh?
Who did you run?
11.7.
11? Who did you run though?
Oh, I ran my buddy V.
What is he running? 12.0? God damn, he's even fucking
Well,
faster than me.
He's only on 24 pounds of boost.
He's still faster than me. I run 12.3. Yeah. Ariel ran at 11.9. But he red lit. I was like, yeah, I'll take that.
Win.
Yep. All right, so I just ran Ariel in the Ecoboost. He ran 11.9. I ran a 12.3. He red lit, so that's an automatic win for me. I'll take it. But right now I'm gonna race Luis in the M3 stock Camaro. We're always racing and we're always kind of back and forward, but He just went 11.9 right off the back. So it's gonna be a bad night for me, but whatever. We're here for fun. What'd you run? 11.6, motherfucker.
Fucking tune, bro.
Must be nice. Just a tune.
So you're 1.5
Just the
tenths.
Just a tune. 11.6. What you did? 10.7? 10.7? How about you? How come? You don't know, man. What was the 60 foot? Man, fool, we here for 60 foot, right?
What?
Oh, what the f?
Do what?
1.4 60 foot. What was your last one before when you came?
10.9.
No, the 60 foot.
1.6, 1.7.
1.617. Look at that. 1.4 60 foot. 10.7 at 121. This is stupid. Sí, es lo harder than Marty. Y la goma también. See, I finally get to see a supercharged car, huh?
Yeah?
How you doing?
Good, how are you, brother?
Good, good?
What's up, Mike?
Only took like 10 fucking years, but I finally see it. ¿Cómo está, pa? Ah! Alright, I'm about to race Luis.
Lewis ran like an 11.9 last time. Lewis is going to beat him in the M3. If he gets a good start, he'll beat him. There you go. It's so hard to launch on the air.
After Traction Fire, we got the Night of Fire. Can you get a picture of the people all behind there?
Got the M3. Fair race, both on green. Let's see how I did on my reaction time. Thank you.
GTR taking on a Chevy Silverado coming up next.
We both ran a 12.2 on that one, so he ran slower. My reaction time was a 0.13. He was a 0.4. His slow car's not going 0-2 home tonight.
You want to? Yo, that was a fucking. I was watching it. I was going to get my ticket. I'm watching y'all. Y'all were like
Yeah, he was coming. He was coming.
Like,
What
was your reaction time?
I was like, damn,
0.1, 0.13.
that shit on video.
What do you have? I have a 0.12 before that.
015.
Nice.
That's right.
Oh, ain't nobody beating that. I parked it.
Might as well pay up now.
I parked it.
What you got? What is it?
¿Cuál fue tu reaction time?
$1 each.
0.1 what?
Huh?
0.1 what?
015.
Oh, damn. 0.17. Damn. Hey, look, 0.17.
That's good.
That's good. That's good. What'd you run? What'd you run?
11.7.
What'd Cheater run?
11.4. I treated the shit out of him too, but he came.
Yeah, he told me. That's good. What
He put that extra couple.
so that's baby in it?
Baby at the whole track.
124.
I think the mile an hour should be a little higher though. Like 128.
I babied it the whole track.
124.
I didn't go above 7 grand. Marty finally shifted it.
Huh?
What happened to yours? It fell on space again.
What? What'd you run?
10.668
That's better.
at 129.
You get the same 60 foot?
No, 1.5.
1.5? 1.5 is still good though.
Yeah, it's still good. It's spun a little bit.
Did you try? No, you didn't take off the line quick, so that's okay. You waited.
I
At 129, your mile per hour went up, right?
yeah. I just let some more air out of the tire to try to get it.
Woo! Nice, 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 nice. Got Omar about to go. And then behind we got Marty and Eddie. Supra and 5.0. I got Marty in the Supra. Eddie in the 5.0. Marty in the Supra. We got Danny over there, the ATSV. Got All-Star. Gen 3 Palm Beach Dyno, headers 85.
Lord, I tried calling you. I tried everything. And now I'm trying.
Oh, here we got Luis and Juni. Luis got that one for sure. at 126. I gotta give it to you, Bobby. On your second run, you're doing pretty good. But we knew you was a driver. We're still gonna give you a lot of shit though. All right, so end of the night, another good night. We're all driving home. We all had fun. Stock slow ass Camaro went 2-0. I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut that. But let's see. We got Ariel. His best of the day was 11.7. Ecoboost big turbo E85. We have Eddie with Palm Beach Dyno E85 headers. He went 11.6. Marty with E85 or E50 downpipe tune 11.4, right?
Yep.
We got Danny went 10.6. He's almost right there to get that 10.5. Pretty close. We got Go Far.
He did 11 V. I think.
Yeah, I forgot I asked him too. But that thing is pretty quick. All-wheel drive. Omar, manual V6 with some bolt-ons and some corn. 13.5. 13.5. We have over there Bobby. First time. He got a shakedown pass. First time. We give him so much shit, but
Claiming 9.
yeah, no. No, but we know he's a driver, so we just give him shit. But he did pretty good. 11.3. I forgot the mile per hour, but
He was up there. He was like at 128, 129, I think.
you'll see it in the video. I just forgot, but it's moving. Procharged car. And then we have, let's see. We have Luis over here. I raced him. Ha! No, he went 11.9. We do pretty good. We're paired up. When he ran me, he did 12.2. I did 12.2, but I beat him off the light, so that's how I won. Rob over there, TTRS, 11.4.
11.4.
Just fucking tuned.
I think this car is a keeper. I think.
We'll see in a month
We'll
or two.
see in a month.
We'll see. Month or two, or somebody gaps him maybe with some other shit. We'll see. But it was a good night. We all ran. We're all driving home. I don't even know what's gonna happen on the way home. So
That's for the bonus channel.
classified. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Comment who you think sucks, who's good. Oh, Bobby won the $1 bet on the reaction time. Everybody bet $1. He got the best reaction time. It was 0.015. Omar with the V6, he was a close second with 0.017. Close.
The manual cars, both of them.
Yeah,
They're
both
good.
manual cars. Yeah, there you go. Shit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe and find out what's coming up next. We got some installs coming up this weekend, and I don't even know what's happening next.
We got a new car on the channel.
New car.
Yeah. We kind of mentioned it a few times, but you ain't seen it yet.
See you guys. Peace.
Oh,